or you look at us as a problem solvers. We want to give the solutions. Now, some say training, some may say consulting, all these words are there, but purely we start with understanding the problem and giving the solution. So we are into project management and business process management consulting, digital PMO setting up, and business analysis. So it's very much tied up with the people, processes, and technology. So like that, you can see we have the capabilities in all these things. Sustainability of a project. It's not one industry. You name right from agriculture, IT, manufacturing, nuclear, power stations, substations, construction, and you talk about defense. You talk any industry, we have expertise and we have global delivery centers from where we deliver training and consulting. So these are the few names that we have just put